Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn the comments in C++. So first of all, what are these comments? Comments are nothing but the description written in human readable format, explaining what a particular block or what a particular statement in your program is going to do. So first of all, why should I have to write these comments? So when writing a program that's about 100 lines long, you might forget some details after 6 or 8 months, or another developer might need to understand your code. To avoid confusion later, use comments in C++ to explain your code. Comments make it clear what variables do, summarize algorithms, and simplify complex part. This way you or others will understand the code more easily when you come back to it. So the next thing is, if I write the comment, is going to affect my program, or is it going to affect the performance or the behavior of my program? So the answer is no, because compiler ignores the comments. So they have no effect on the performance or the behavior of our program. Now the next thing is what type of comments are available in C++. Typically, there are two kinds of comments available in C++, called single line comment, and another one is called pair comment, or we can say multi-line comment. So this single line comment start with two forward slashes and ends with a new line. So whatever you write in this is going to be comment. Let's say this is single line comment. Next is multi-line comment. It starts with one forward slash and star and ends with star and forward slash. Let's write some cout statements to check whether C++ compiler will ignore these comments or not. Let's run this program. As you can see, our all couts are working fine. So these comments are not affecting our program. Now the next thing is we can comment any statement also by using single line comment. And if I want to comment more than one statements, we can use multi-line comments. For example, if I want to comment this statement, I can use single line comment. So our compiler will ignore this statement and execute the remaining couts. Now run this program to check whether our first cout is executing or not. As you can see, our two couts are executing because compiler ignores this statement. Now this time I want to comment these statements. For that I use multi-line comment. Now let's run this program to check this cout is executing or not, because we have commented these two couts. As you can see, only one cout is executing. That is, this video is about comments. Alright, this is about comments in C++. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate to put a comment in video. I'll see you in next video.